So, you want to try anal sex, but you're afraid of this. Trust me, you're not alone. That's why I put together the ultimate anal sex beginner's guide, including common mistakes to avoid so you can make anal sex safe, clean, and sexy. Let's start with a simple anatomy 101. The key difference between the vagina and the anus is that the anal canal has two strong sphincter muscles that keep everything contained. It also doesn't produce its own lubrication. This means the number one rule is slow prep matters. You must relax those muscles and you must use extra lube. Rushing into anal sex without prep is the main cause of pain and mistakes. Now, let's talk about anal cleaning. Here are the basics and what most people find helpful and what you need. The rectum. The lower 2 to 3 inches of your large intestine before the anus is usually empty, unless you've just eaten or need to poop soon. Before anal sex, you don't need a clean colon, just an empty rectum. The best, safest, and most gentle option is to clean your colon with a bidet. If you have a warm water bidet, even better. If you don't have a bidet, a mild external wash with warm water and light, gentle soap, followed by a light towel pat dry, is a great option. If you are in the market for a bidet, I personally love my TUSHY bidet. It's a simple, non-electric bidet attachment for my toilet that makes me feel extra clean. Now, some people like anal douching to prepare, but here's the thing. Douching isn't bad, but it's easy to misuse. Deep, frequent, or harsh douching can cause damage to your colon. And the truth is, many people don't need anal douching. Like I said, your rectum is usually empty unless you've just eaten or need to poop soon. Low volume, warm water, and not deep flushing is the safe way to clean. Another good thing to know is that fiber is your friend. Fiber keeps your stool formed, predictable, easy to pass, and less messy. This means the rectum is more likely to be naturally empty when you have anal sex. For long-term peace of mind, consider a daily soluble fiber supplement like psyllium husk or chia. Take it daily and not right before sex, and don't forget to drink lots of water. We talk more about how to prep and clean before anal sex on these videos. Be sure to watch them after this. While it's important to prepare your body physically, it's also important to prepare mentally. Safe anal sex is 95% psychological. Relaxation is key. If you are stressed, the anus reacts by clenching up. Before you do anything, try deep breathing with your partner. When you're ready, don't rush it. Go at your body's pace. Your muscles need time to relax and get warmed up. Now, the most important thing to do in preparation for anal sex is to use lube. Lube, lube, lube. Lots of lube. Since there's no natural lubrication in the colon, lube is essential. There are many different kinds of lubrication too. The most common and safest for all toys and condoms is water-based lube. There is also silicone-based lube that lasts longer but cannot be used with silicone toys. Speaking of toys, toys can be a good choice for anal sex beginners. They can help you relax the muscles, build comfort, and make the experience more predictable before trying with your partner. At first, be sure to choose small, smooth, and tapered toys with a flared base so they don't get lost inside. Start in the shower or during solo play. Use lots of lube and go slow. If it burns, pinches, or feels sharp, stop. You can gradually move up in size to get used to the sensation once you feel more comfortable. But how do you start to feel comfortable? Here is the no pain entry technique. This 4-step technique is how you get past the fear of pain and injury. It's all about communication and patience. First, it's all about an external massage. Start with generous lube application and gentle external touching. Get comfortable with the area. Step 2. Apply lube liberally and gently insert one finger. Don't worry about the depth, just feel the first muscle, the external sphincter. Step 3. Gradually introduce the second finger. When the internal muscle relaxes, that's your signal. Step 4. Only after the second muscle is relaxed should you proceed with the actual sex object or penis. Maintain a slow, steady pace and keep adding lube. During these steps, choose positions that allow the passive partner to relax or stop quickly, like spooning or side by side. Now, aftercare and cleanup of anal play or anal sex is important. but simple. If you have a bidet, this step is fast and easy. A quick warm water rinse will do the job, and be sure to pat dry and not to rub. If you're feeling sensitive, you can use a little bit of aloe or a soothing barrier cream. Finally, be sure to rest and hydrate. These are some common beginner mistakes to avoid. 1. Using too little lube. You can never use too much, and please never rely on spit as lube. 2. Going too fast or not relaxing. Communication is essential in this warm-up step. 3. Jumping straight to large toys or objects. 4. Don't move from the anus to vagina without washing the object first. This can cause infections. 5. Don't use numbing creams. They prevent you from feeling when something is wrong. 6. Don't use laxatives before sex. They cause the opposite of what you want: unpredictable diarrhea and leakage. 7. And remember, don't over clean or over douche, as it can cause irritation. You can learn more about the anal sex mistakes you should avoid in this video. 9 things not to do during anal sex. Check it out after this one if you're curious. Also, did you know that stress not only wrecks your anal muscles, but also your gut health? We'll explore more on that in the next video. Subscribe if you don't want to miss it. And if you experience any of the following, take a break and let your body heal first: hemorrhoid flare-ups, anal fissures, or any pain during penetration, or recent infections or irritation. So, anal play doesn't have to be complicated or scary. Prep smart, go slow, stay relaxed, and communicate. If you want the safest and easiest anal prep or aftercare, nothing beats a bidet. A gentle rinse makes you feel cleaner, fresher, and more confident, even if you're a total beginner. You can check out all the TUSHY bidet models in the link in the description. Plus, you'll get a special discount for YouTube subscribers. Thanks, and see you next time.